We're on the back side of the driver right now, and there is going to be this flap. This is called the seat bib, and this seat bib needs to be unhooked to do the install. So there's these little elastics right here, and they hook up underneath the seat onto a little piece of plastic. And if you just push this elastic forward, then that unhooks this seat bib. When you release that, now you can see underneath here what's going on. And this really helps a lot with the install. Now this section right here, this actually comes from the driver backrest felt that pushes down and then hooks on to a big strip of Velcro. And this is called the modified install method. George came up with this install method. It's just a great way to install the seat covers. So much better than the old method of you used to have to do all these elastics and hook elastics around underneath your seat. So on the seat bottom, the driver bottom cover has this Velcro. You can hear my finger scratch on that Velcro right there. So that's that seat bottom, the driver bottom, that has that Velcro on the top of it. And that's what connects to this felt right here. So you're gonna pull that felt. I mean, again, you're gonna install that driver bottom first. Once that's all installed, then you're gonna pull this backrest felt on and then stick that to right here. Here's one of those straps. That's that strap I loosened up there to show you on that front side. So that strap's right here, and that goes forward to the front and cinches down right there. There's going to be another strap over on the other side here, and then a lot of times, most vehicles, there's going to be a middle strap as well. And if you see a middle strap with a buckle, that goes to the bottom of the seat to a spring and then back to itself, and that locks down. And that's really the locking kind of safety strap is what we call that. It's that middle strap. Some vehicles, it's not necessarily needed, so it's not always there, but there's that locking strap when we need it there. Okay, so again, there's that strap there, and the string underneath, that drawstring, that's hidden underneath here at this point, but it's underneath the seat right here, and actually it's right about there in this spot right there. You can see some remnants of that string hanging out right there as well. So what we've done though is, again, that drawstring pushed through on this side of the seat into that section right there, and then over here, and they tied up. We just tied them underneath the seat, and that, again, that hugs that bottom corners of the seat in nice and tight there. So that's the driver's seat bottom. Once you have that all locked in, looking good, then you're going to do your backrest.